LATEEF ADEDIMEJI shares adorable fun moments with wife, Mo Bimpe. If you are watching us for the first time, kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the notification bell to get notified when we drop another video. Popular Nollywood actor LATEEF ADEDIMEJI has once again warmed the hearts of fans as he shared delightful moments with his wife, actress Oyebade Adebimpe, affectionately known as Mo Bimpe. The duo, known for their chemistry both on and off screen, took to their social media platforms to share snippets of their playful banter and joyful moments at home. In a short video clip posted by LATEEF, the couple is seen engaging in a hilarious game, with Mo Bimpe breaking into laughter at her husband's playful antics. The post was captioned, "Every day is a reason to laugh when you're with your best friend. Thank you for being my peace." Fans flooded the comment section with admiration, praising the couple for their love and for serving as a model of a happy and supportive relationship. LATEEF and Mo Bimpe, who tied the knot in 2021, have consistently melted hearts with their public displays of affection and support for each other's careers. Their latest video is yet another reminder of the bond they share, proving that love, laughter, and companionship are the true hallmarks of their union. This adorable moment comes amidst their busy schedules in the Nollywood industry, further showcasing their commitment to making time for each other despite their demanding careers. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and share your thoughts below.